Friends, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to discuss about the static structural analysis of the spring. Initially we created this 3D spring, then go to the simulation and select a new study. Here we have to select a general static stimulation and then click OK. After that we have to apply the material to our spring. Just click the apply material, or you can also right click on the part to apply or edit the material here. Then select a required type of material to our component, then click apply. Then close the material tab. Then go for fixture advisors. Here we have to select a fixed geometry. After selecting a fixed geometry, we have to specify the faces to fix the component. Now we can select a required face to fix the geometry. Then click OK. After that we have to specify the external load to be applied on the component. So rotate in the opposite direction. Here we are going to apply the load in compressive spring. So one end of the spring is fixed here. Then in another end we have to apply the load. Go to the external loads. Here we have to select a force. Then specify the required phase to apply the force in terms of Newton. Please wait for a few seconds. Now the force tab is opened here. Now you have to select a required phase and give the magnitude value of the force in terms of Newton. Then click OK. Then you have to create a mesh here. Just right click on the mesh, create a mesh. While creating mesh it will take a few seconds, so please be patient until the mesh is generated. Meshing is processing here. Now the meshing is generated successfully. At last we are going to show the result. So go to the run this study of static structural analysis. Now the result is generating. It will take a few seconds to show the results, so please be patient. Wait for a few seconds to show the results. Now the results is generated successfully. You can show the von Mises stress and displacement. You can also check a strain. You can animate one by one the results. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts in this video, please post in the comment.